welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a while, but today I have a super exciting video. Before we get started with the whole video, if you hear some weird sounds, I have my little puppy right beside me. He's currently busy chewing a stick, like a chew stick, so you're probably gonna hear him make some noises, but don't fret, it's just Finley. But this video is going to be super exciting because recently I've been following a lot of Harry Potter channels on YouTube, and I found out that there was this Walmart exclusive mystery wand stuff thing that was going around. But after trying to go to 3 different Walmarts in my area, I soon realized it's probably only a States thing, because I can't seem to find them anywhere. If you're from Canada and you found them, let me know. But yeah, in my searches for those, I actually came across this guy, and it is a Harry Potter box. So I did find this at my local Walmart, and it did come with a plastic wrap and everything, but it had some spoilers on the front, and I kind of wanted to avoid that, so I took that off. But this did retail for $15 Canadian, which is actually not too bad for a box, especially because most boxes nowadays are only online. So when you factor in shipping costs, conversion rates, and everything like that, it can become pretty pricey, especially if you're from anywhere other than the States or like Europe, England type of area. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed, and let's get started with the unboxing. So this box is actually from a brand called CultureFly. I don't know if you guys can see that. I personally have never heard of this brand. I wonder if they do other types of boxes or if it's just Harry Potter boxes. I'm not too sure. But let's go ahead and open the box. Ooh, okay. So, first thing I'm seeing, this little card asking you to fill out a survey so you can receive 50% off. Like I said, I don't know what other types of products they sell, so I'll check this out. Ooh, okay. So, first thing I am seeing is a little hat. Cute. Okay, so it is a little beanie, and it has Harry's glasses and obviously the lightning bolt, and then the glasses kind of just wrap around to the back. I don't know how I feel about beanies on my head, to be honest. They have to be a really specific shape in order to look good on my head personally, but I think this is super cute. Very, very cute, and I haven't seen this design of beanie before. Super cute. I wonder if this is like a CultureFly, like exclusive type of item. Next item I'm seeing in here is a box, and it says coasters on it. So let's open that. I can open it. Oh, cute. Cute. Okay, so then they're coasters with all of the houses. So we have obviously Gryffindor, we have Hufflepuff, we have Ravenclaw, which is a really odd shade of like almost purple. And I feel like they should have gone more blue toned, but either way, Ravenclaw. And then my personal favorite, Slytherin. Yeah, so they're just your like standard coasters. And then on the back it says CultureFly. So I am assuming that these products are all made specifically for CultureFly. Yeah, super cute, super functional. Love a good coaster, love a good house item. Next item I'm seeing says Golden Snitch Squishy. I don't know what it means by squishy. Does that mean that it's the material squishy, or yeah, interesting. Really interesting. So This is the golden snitch. I wish they would have added the little wings, but it's just a little ball. It's almost like a stress relief ball. It's kind of that bouncy kind of texture. Yeah, not too sure what I'm gonna do with this. If this gets in the hands of Finley, it will be destroyed. I just wish they would have made it more Snitch-like, because to me it just looks like a gold ball. But yeah, okay. Next box I'm seeing is says Mirror of Erised.
Side note, I know I completely mispronounced Mirror of Erised, and I have no clue what was going through my head when I was filming, but I'm so sorry if it's gonna annoy anybody for the next few seconds or minutes that I continue to say Mirror of Erised. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Oh, that's so cute! That's so cute! It's a little mirror. And, oh god, it's gonna like blind you guys. But if I cover the little mirror, it has the outline of the Mirror of Erised. And yeah, it's just a mirror. That's super cute! And it's actually a good quality mirror. I don't know how I would feel putting this in my bag and like using it as an actual mirror, but it's a good quality mirror. Next item I'm seeing here is a bigger item, and it's actually a little scarf. So it has the Hogwarts crest and then the 4 house colors. I wish that they would have made the red a little bit darker, like a more of a maroon, and the green to be a little more like emeraldy, but it's okay. Like right now this is a really bright red, and that like I would describe this more as like a cherry type of red, and then this would be more like a yellow green. But yeah, and it's just like a thin scarf, and then it has the house colors on both sides. The stitching job on this is interesting. Like the seam, they're kind of coming out, but yeah, it's a scarf. I don't really wear these types of scarves. It does get really cold here in the winter time, but I like to use big blanket scarves, so I'm not really a fan of these small thin scarves, but it would be a cute like decor piece to put on like a chair or something. This is the last item. This is a notebook. And let's open this. So this is actually a really nice quality feeling notebook. It feels not quite like leather. I'm not too sure what this fabric is, but it just feels nice and like smooth. And then inside is just nice and blank pages. I don't have any blank page notebooks. I typically am a very picky person with my notebook pages, but I think it would be nice to have just a blank page notebook, and the paper is very good quality. It's very thick. This is actually one of my favorite products in this box, and it has a little bookmark ribbon, so that's cute. And I like how it's super simple and it just has the Hogwarts crest on the front, and there's no like colors or anything. It's just cute and simple. For a $15 box, I think it has pretty good value, because I think if I were to buy like a notebook alone, it's probably gonna cost me around $15 Canadian anyways. So I think it was pretty good for value, and I think it's just a fun thing to do, just unbox these mystery boxes. But yeah, let me know what you thought of the box down in the comments below. I actually have plans to purchase the LitJoy Year 7 Part 1 box. I'm a little behind on that whole series, but it is very pricey, especially if I'm shipping to Canada. But I do plan to purchase that, so there should be an unboxing for that box when it comes, which should be towards the end of this year. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.